This is one of our Tri-5 chassis we just put together. It's a 57 Chevy. This one has a 495 horse LS3, 6-speed manual, Ford 9-inch rear axle, probably our most popular setup. Got some nice upgrades on it. The strange monotube shocks is one of the upgrades we usually use. Another upgrade would be like the brake line kits. And this one happens to have the Rick's fuel tank in the back. Excellent for the LS3 because it's a single point connection. They're stainless steel. They make them for multiple GT Sport applications. We're able to put in a Camaro Gen 5 pump. And that pump has a single connection that runs up the fuel rail. Goes right to the LS, there's no bypass, there's no regulator needed, and the filter is actually built into the tank itself. Comes with the tabs to weld to the chassis here. Just, again, super, super nice stuff. The wheels and tires on this are from Forgeline. These are probably our favorite, most popular wheel and tire. One nice feature about them, if you've ever curbed a wheel, you know it boogers up the side here. And in this wheel, we can take it off the car, pull the tire off, separate it right here. So you simply call Forgeline, they'd send you out another hoop for like $250. Also, if you decide you want to change your offset, you could buy an inner hoop or an outer hoop, keep in the same center. It makes it super universal and savable. This chassis also has ultimate headers. We use those on most every one we do. This is called an accessory drive kit. Every time you buy a crate engine, the LS engine, you're required to add that as an accessory. This one comes from a company called Wagner Motorsports. It comes with all the brackets, pulleys, belts, fasteners. It just completes the front side of the engine. This has a 200 amp alternator. We'll keep up with all the accessories in the car. You have electric fans, air conditioning, just air ride, whatever it is. There's a lot of things pulling the engine down to idle. This one will absolutely keep up with it. The rear end housing from Morrison comes loaded with strange axles. We always use a strange center section. This one's called the S case. It's a stronger case. They don't make noise and they're just a super strong unit. And there's another Tri-5 chassis that we've put together for a customer. He was given an estimate as to what it's going to take to put it all together. Common for us to stick these on a truck and send them anywhere. It could be Texas or Atlanta, Florida. This one happens to be done in the shop here. We're going to bolt on his car that's already been painted and just kind of doing an update to the chassis. This is really, really neat stuff. Very reliable, very OEM style assembly. Just going to be the backbone of a really nice car.